Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scrapmadness where Laura and I do a video a day, and we both are part of Confessions of a Paper Addict YouTube hop, and there is a code for 10% off, and that is the cut file that I am using. So what it is, Virginia Walker asked a bunch of us to use her cut file to welcome all of us to her Etsy shop with her cut files. She is now selling cut files and they are absolutely amazing. I truly love them. And she has from now until the 31st of March of 2019, she has a code that you can use for 10% off, which is welcome 10. And I will have everything linked down below along with the YouTube hop, and also I'll get to who our special guest is for the Scrapmadness side of the house where I'm doing that video a day with Laura. Now Laura and I are part of the hop, and there is about 17 of us that hopped and used all of her different styles of cut files, and the one that I decided to use is called Eat, Sleep, Craft, and Repeat. And the pictures that I am scrapping is of the last little scrappy weekend that I was at Amy's house for the weekend, and Dolly came down on Saturday and visited with us all day on Saturday, and pretty much it was we ate, we slept, and we craft, and then we repeated it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's absolutely amazing. I loved it, and I backed all of the cut file with all the different papers from this collection, which is from Simple Stories. It's the Crafty Girl collection. It's the only craft collection that I got that all of these other companies went and kind of started doing the same thing. I just like this one. It gave me a little bit of everything. I sew, I craft, obviously, I paint. There's tons of different things on there, and I loved what it looked like. So I'm just backing the two photos. So the first photo, this photo that I'm working on right here, is when Dolly took this photo. So she's tiny in that little corner. You barely see her face, and that's just how the photo was. When I printed it out, there was nothing I could do. I couldn't get any more of her face on. And it's of Amy and all three of us and myself. We're all at Tuesday morning where Amy is from. We went to that particular Tuesday morning there. And the other photo, before I get to the other photo, this is where I cut a little bit of it off and I give myself a little bit of something there. I kind of loved how Missy Whitten did this in her collection, or like in her style, and I love doing this over and over. So that is what I'm working on right there. It is a total, where I got it from was Missy Whitten on doing this. So that's what I was working on there. And then the second photo that you saw me scrap to put some layers down, I decided to use the photo that Amy took that day. For some odd reason, I didn't take any over the weekend. Why? I don't know. I think it was because I was filming so that I could stay ahead, because I went the last weekend, or second to the last weekend in February is when I went to Amy's house, and I stayed overnight at her house and we just talked until midnight and all of this jazz. It was so much fun. I kept her up when she probably wanted to go to bed way earlier than I kept her, but she endured it. So this was the night that Dolly was at the house, and she was still there. She was scrapping, and it was Amy, Dolly was in the middle, and then I was filming on the end, and that was the two photos that we took over the weekend. Because I think we did so much girl talk and scrap talk and all of this stuff that it was perfect for us. And I thought that it was fitting to put some thread on this, and the photos work out wonderful where I put it. So before I backed it down, I did do some foam tape that you saw, and I did up some thread. I got out a pink and a mint colored one, and that's what I used on the back of it, and I put it down where I wanted it, and then I left it so that I could be able to put down the thread. And then now this is where I glue, and I'm telling you, either the Tomo doesn't like this foam tape or something, because I could not get it to stick whatsoever. Now that I put it into its little craft, like the photo album that I already have, because I'm one of them that puts the layouts right away, because albums ready at hand so I can be able to put my stuff away. I cannot do what a lot of ladies do and just pile them up. I can't do it. I cannot. I tried doing layout chairs, and the minute that I kept seeing that pile, I was like, that's a mess to me. So I put mine away right away. And now I'm putting down the photos, and they tuck in perfectly where she's got the eat, sleep, craft, and repeat. It works perfect for the 2 photos that I have to place them there. And I now get out the chipboards, the planner type stickers that Simple Stories had for this collection. And I do also have the 12 by 12 sticker pad, but I have no embellishments. So now that I am on the embellishment side and you see what I'm doing, I'm going to talk about the hop. So everybody will be linked down below for the hop, so make sure that you do hop along. It is all happening today. And then also our guest designer for today is Hannah. And she's part of the Click Kits. She is a military spouse like I am. And I absolutely love her channel. Her style is so different, but I love her mixed media style that she has. I love what she does to her channels. She's part of the Click Kit. Her and I are on, she invited me to be on her design team for the Crafty Maven Getaway. I absolutely love her, and I love her channel. I love her style. She's just amazing. And so make sure that you go check her out as well. So everything is linked down below. Everything will be. And plus the code for the Confessions of the Paper Addict YouTube hop is welcome10. That will be linked down below as well, so that you can go to her Etsy shop and get 10% off your order. And so it's absolutely amazing. I love her cut files. This is just one of the few that I've used. I went in and purchased a ton already, but I absolutely love her style. She's got an amazing style. She's also got a Facebook group that she does link free cut files before she puts it in the Etsy shop for you to purchase. So you make sure that you go check out everybody in the hop. Make sure that you go check out her cut files, and also make sure you check out Virginia Walker as well, along with the Facebook group. So here's the funny thing is, I wanted to place these ladies. Now that I see it on screen, those 2 ladies up on top actually look wonderful right there. But you see what I do, I turn it and bob it and look. I want to make sure that you can still read, eat, sleep, craft, and repeat. But I wanted these ladies on there because I thought they were awesome. All 3 of these ladies are perfect because there's 3 of us. And we all met at the Crafty Retreat in May of 2018. We went to the crop and sat together in the November retreat. And now we just get together whenever we can and just scrap and have some fun and all of that kind of stuff. So I just love Amy, and I love Dolly. I love all of my crafty friends. It doesn't matter who they are, far, worldwide, in between. As long as we craft together and we get inspiration from each other, that's what it's all about. And I just love it. So now I'm getting to the point where I'm almost done. Things are done. You will see me go through the sequins mix. I add that along with 2 different colors. Make sure you check along. The code is coming up again along with all the still shots. Make sure that you go check out everybody else, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!